Auto Kitchen 25 Tutorials. Tutorial number 2. Placing base cabinets and appliances. Click on the Projects tab and then click the Manufacturer button. Make sure the default catalog selected is Universal Full Access, which is a frameless catalog. Next, click on the button that says Door. Confirm the default door is Shaker 1, 2.25. The 2.25 dimension means the Shaker door frame is 2.25 inches. Click on the Apply to All button, then click on the green check marks to confirm your selections. Click on the Furnishings tab in the horizontal toolbar. Then, click on the Cabinet button on the left side of the horizontal toolbar. The cabinet insertion window will open up. Click on Base Cabinets, then move to the right and locate Sink Cabinet. To the right, select 36 as the width. The cabinet preview window will show a base sink cabinet with 2 full-height doors. At the top of the cabinet insertion window, there are 2 tabs, each with a check mark. One tab is for the sink and one for the faucet. The check marks indicate the sink cabinet will include a sink and a faucet when you place it. You can access the tabs, then click on the magnifying glass to change the default selections for sink and faucet. We can assume the default selections are fine. Click on the Other Insertions button located in the lower right corner of the cabinet insertion window. A window opens up with 4 rows of buttons. The second button in the second row centers any cabinet under any window. Click the button and the sink base cabinet will be centered under the window. Click at the top of the cabinet insertion window and drag it to the right to see the sink cabinet. In addition to the sink cabinet, you will see 2 colored arrows on the back of the sink cabinet, pointing left and right. These arrows tell us the distance from the sink base cabinet to the closest obstacles, in this case, the walls to the left and right. There is a small window in the upper left corner indicating there are 84 inches to the right wall and 78 inches to the left wall. The blue and red arrows located on the cabinet insertion window can be used to place cabinetry and appliances quickly, and ensure the units fit flushed together. Next, let's place a dishwasher using the color arrows. First, click on the dishwasher entry located below sink cabinet. The tab at the top can be used to change the default selection. In this tutorial, we will use the default dishwasher. Click on the blue arrow on the cabinet insertion window to place the dishwasher to the right of the sink cabinet. The colored arrows will now be located in back of the dishwasher. The small window at the top will indicate there are 0 inches to the left and 60 inches to the wall on the right. Next, click on Drawer Cabinet and make sure the drawer cabinet is a 3-drawer, 24 inches wide. Click on the blue arrow in the cabinet insertion window and place the drawer cabinet to the right of the dishwasher. The arrows will indicate there is no space to the left and 36 inches of space to the right. Click on Corner Cabinet located below the drawer cabinet. Make sure the corner cabinet is an L shape, 36 inches wide. Click on the blue arrow to place this cabinet. There is now 104.25 inches left to wall 4. Next, we are going to place a 36 inches wide gas range. Close the cabinet insertion window and click on Appliance on the horizontal toolbar. When the appliance insertion window opens, scroll down the left section to Ranges. Click on gas range number 38 from the Universal Appliances catalog and click on the ruler button below the image, to round up the width of this unit to 36 inches. Click on the green check mark to confirm the selection and rounding of the number. Then, click on the blue arrow to place the gas range to the right of the L-shaped cabinet. Close the appliance insertion window and open the cabinet insertion window. In the cabinet insertion window, click on Standard Base Cabinet, a full-height door, and select 12 inches wide, right swing. Click on the blue arrow to place this cabinet to the right of the gas range. Next, select a 30-inch wide 2 doors, 2 drawers. You can click on the number 30, then in the last quadrant select the 2-door, 2-drawer model. Once selected, click on the blue arrow to place it next to the base 12-inch cabinet. When placed, close the cabinet insertion window and save your work. Next, let's continue on the other side of the sink cabinet. To use the color arrows to place cabinets, we need to move the arrows from the last cabinet inserted and place them on the base sink cabinet. Open the cabinet insertion window and click on the white cube located in the lower section of the dialog window. Then, click on the base sink cabinet. You will see the red arrow pointing to the left. The distance to the left wall is 78 inches. Click on Pull-out Cabinet and select the 18-inch wide. In the sub-menu below, select the one-drawer model pull-out cabinet, then click the red arrow to place this cabinet to the left of the sink base. The space left now is 60 inches. Next, select a drawer cabinet 24-inch wide and click the red arrow. The remaining space is 36 inches. Click on Corner and select a L-shaped cabinet, 36 inches wide. Then, click the red arrow to place this cabinet in the corner. The space left to the bottom of wall 2 is 90.5 inches. The last base cabinet we are going to place is a drawer cabinet 18 inches wide. Select it and click the red arrow to place it next to the last cabinet inserted. The distance left is now 72.5 inch. Close the cabinet insertion window and save your work. Before we continue placing cabinets and appliances, let's take a moment to see how the base cabinets look so far. Right-click and select Fast Shade. Then, right-click again and select Orbit View. Press the left mouse button and hold it down as you move your wrist. See how the design comes to life in 3D. You can roll the wheel to zoom in or out. Move the mouse and roll the wheel until you get a view that includes all the cabinets in the kitchen, plus the gas range. Notice that the base cabinets come with countertops by default. This is a setting you can change. You can also change the default color selections for cabinetry and countertops. We will cover the cabinet color selections later on. The countertop seams in the prior image can also be eliminated once the base cabinetry distribution is settled. To eliminate the countertop seams, click on the Join Slabs button located in the Countertops and Moldings menu, select All, then click the green check mark. This completes tutorial 2. Thank you for listening. Save your work.